Hey everyone, in the last video we covered booleans. In this video we're going to build on top of that by using booleans to test if something is equal to something else, which is testing for equality. So here we have three variables, number 1, 2, and 3, and we want to know if number 1 is equal to num2. And if we want to test for equality, we're going to use the double equal sign, which is going to tell us true if they are equal and false if they are not equal. When you use one equal sign, that is going to set the value of that variable to that value. When you use the double equal sign, you are testing for equality. So let's try this. So you can see that it printed true because num1 is 7 and num2 is also 7. What happens if we change this to test if num1 is equal to num3? Let's run this. And we see this time it's false. Okay, cool. Now I want to show you if we are testing a number versus a number that's stored as text. So here we have the number 5, and then we have the text version of 5. Do you guys think this will be true or false? Well, let's find out. And it is false. That is because these are two different 5s. This first 5, the number 5, is a integer, while the text of 5 is a string, and those are two different types. If you want to see the types of what object type it is, you can also print the type of the object. And when we run this, you can see that the number 5 was integer and the text 5 was a string. So these two objects are not the same. So that was a quick video on equality. I hope you found that helpful. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe.